我是丽丽的妈妈。今天给大家推荐一本绘本《Go Away, Mr. Wolf》这个是廖彩杏推荐书单之一，也是我最喜欢的绘本之一这个绘本的故事性非常强，然后里面有这个，它的书是大开页设计，然后有这个有点像机关书的味道，然后故事的趣味性也非常强，所以我待会儿会读一遍。Go away, Mr. Wolf. What do you see in the cover? Oh, 3 little pigs. And there's a Mr. Wolf. Oh, the Mr. Wolf is so hungry. He wants to eat 3 little pigs. 3 pigs say, "Go away, Mr. Wolf." Okay, now let's read the story together. One morning, when 3 little pigs are playing with their toys. Knock, knock. Oh, suddenly, someone is knocking at the door. Knock, knock, knock. Who started knocking at our little front door? Anyone for ice cream? Said a very friendly voice. Let's see who's knocking at the door. Oh, it's Mr. Wolf. He pretends to be an ice cream salesman. But can you see he's holding a net behind him? Be careful, 3 little pigs. Want for ice cream? No, 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 no. Go away, Mr. Wolf, said 3 little pigs, and they quickly shut the door. Whew. It's safe. Now it's snack time now. Oh, someone's knocking at the door again. Knock, knock, knock. Who started knocking at our little front door? Coming for a drive, said a charming, cheery voice. Let's see who's outside the door. Oh, it's Mr. Wolf again. Can you see he's holding a bag behind him? Oh, be careful, 3 little pigs. Go away, Mr. Wolf, said 3 little pigs, and they quickly shut the door. Oh, now what are 3 pigs doing now? They are playing the Indians, like rah, 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 right? Oh, knock, knock, knock. Who started knocking at our little front door? Anyone for a game? Said a hoarse but hopeful voice. Let's see who's behind the door. Oh, it's Mr. Wolf again. He's holding a football, right? But can you see he's holding a hammer behind him too? Be careful, 3 little pigs. Wanna come with me? No! Go away, Mr. Wolf, said 3 little pigs, and they quickly shut the door. Oh, now 3 pigs, they are playing the music, right? Dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum. Oh, but someone is knocking at the door again. Knock, knock, knock. Who started knocking at our little front door? It's a lovely day for a swim. Anyone coming with me? Let's see who's outside. Oh, it's Mr. Wolf again. This time, he's holding an axe behind him. Be careful, 3 little pigs. Want to come with me? No! Go away, Mr. Wolf, said 3 little pigs, and then they quickly shut the door. Oh, now it's dinner time. Our 3 pigs are helping to set a table. Knock, knock, knock. Who started knocking at our little front door? Again, someone knocking at the door. Oh, now let's check it out. Who's outside the door? Anybody home? Oh, it's Daddy. Come on in, Daddy. We've got lots to tell you. The end.